Mangrove forests are found along the coastline of tropical and subtropical regions all over the world. Mangrove trees are adapted to salty conditions and water flows from the sea, the superficial and subterranean rivers, and the rain and interstitial water. Mangroves are considered one of the most biodiverse ecosystems as they provide to a large number of species a variety of habitats, food resources, breeding sites, and a suitable growth environment. Many of these species are mammals, such as the jaguar, migratory birds, reptiles as crocodiles and turtles, fish, and invertebrate species. These species are now protected by Mexican laws. Mangroves also provide important ecosystem services, such as protecting the coastline from impacts caused by meteorological phenomena, reducing the wind strength, minimizing wave, and retaining sediment through their roots. Mangroves also act as efficient biofilters of wastewaters, improving their quality. They can also regulate environment conditions as they buffer big changes in temperature. In addition, mangroves provide large amounts of organic matter to the lagoon, which is an important food resource for commercial species. Mexico sits in the fourth place on mangrove extension in the world, which represent 5% of the total area. The Yucatan Peninsula includes 55% of this ecosystem. From this fraction, approximately 25% is located in the state of Campeche. These mangrove forests are mainly found within two legally protected areas, the lagoon called Laguna de Términos and the Biosphere Reserve Los Petenes, which has been considered one of the most important protected areas because of its conservation status. Mangroves of Campeche are, however, rapidly transforming. In less than 10 years, they have lost more than 14% of their original extension. Even though this ecosystem is protected by international laws, the reduction of its coverage has been mainly caused by human development, such as the settlement of the oil industry, road construction, and other engineering works and pollution, adding besides the effects of the global climate change. The Institute of Ecology, Fisheries, and Oceanography of the Mexican Gulf, IPOMEX by their Spanish acronym, is part of the autonomous University of Campeche. It has created the Coastal Wetlands Laboratory, which has a special infrastructure and equipment for the study of mangroves. Having a global vision for a period of 14 years, this laboratory has been collecting data through a monitoring network on different aspects of mangroves and other coastal ecosystems, setting a knowledge base that has allowed the design of strategies and actions to preserve and promote the sustainable use, conservation, and restoration of this ecosystem. Restoration actions have been focused mainly on mangroves. These actions include the recovery of the vegetation and the rehabilitation of the environment conditions and ecosystem services. In the area of the Biosphere Reserve Los Petenes, 9,000 hectares has been affected because of road construction and human settlements, altering the hydrology, sedimentation processes, and water chemistry of the mangrove ecosystem. In 2013, the Coastal Wetlands Laboratory created a program to design strategies and actions to restore this area. Among other actions, we have built artificial canals connected to natural ones in order to eliminate excess of sediment, a consequence of the alteration of this ecosystem. With these actions, it has been possible to restore the hydrological dynamics and generate water and soil with balanced chemical conditions. In consequence, mangrove vegetation has been recovering through the colonization of seedlings of Avicennia germinans, commonly called the black mangrove tree, and the reforestation of seedlings of Rhizophora mangle, the red mangrove tree. These restoration actions have the potential to become an ecosystem-based management tool for the sustainability and conservation of these ecosystems.